A theme is the foundation of how your whole site looks. It controls stuff like your fonts, colors, and the overall layout. We'll be using a free theme called Astra. To install that theme, go to the left-hand side here and hover over Appearance. Then click Themes. Let's go down and click Add Theme. In the top right, let's go ahead and search for Astra. And you're looking for this theme right here. Click Install. Then click Activate. Then we'll close out of this banner here. And you'll see that your new active theme is Astra. And there we go. Your theme is officially set. And that's the foundation for how your whole site looks. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.